This week, we're gonna learn our F, G, A, and B notes. As a review, we were finding our C, D, and E around our 2 black keys. So today, we're gonna be focusing on our 3 black keys here. So everyone use your fingertips if you have your piano nearby, and just go ahead and touch those 3 black keys just so we can find them. We're gonna live there today. All right, there is a little story to help us memorize these notes. We're gonna call this a house. If you were here last week, this was a little dog house. This is a real people house, like a full house for humans. We're going to think of this note that comes before every 3 black key as the front door to that house. So that's F for the front door. Then we have a back door, and that's why that's B. Let's go ahead and play all of our Fs, the note that comes before every 3 black key, and say it out loud again, because hearing it while we play it helps solidify that memory faster. We have, I don't know if you can see that one, that's F. Next one, F, 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 or we could say front door, or comes first before those 3 black keys. Now, we have the back door. So let's find those. Ready? B, 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 B. So now, I bet you're wondering who's in the house. There's a couple things I could think about. We have G and A. You could think about grandma is in the house because grandma starts and ends with G and A. Or you could think about Georgia because this is the state abbreviation for Georgia. So however you can remember GA, G-A, that's who's in the house. Grandma, Georgia, anyone else like that who has that kind of name. G-A. So G is gonna come first inside the 3 black keys, and A is the second one. So let's locate all of our G's and play them. G, 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 G. Let's locate the A's. A, 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 A. And at this point now, you have learned my little tricks to locate all of your white keys on the keyboard. So what I would do is I would quiz yourself, or maybe you could have someone nearby, a friend, maybe they don't even know what they're doing, but you could just tell them, hey, say a letter between A and G, and then they will, and then you're like, oh, okay, D, that's right, doghouse, there's a dog in the doghouse. You know, if you don't understand that reference, go watch last week's video. But that is the way to memorize these things. Again, we don't want to get a keyboard with stickers on it. I got this on Facebook Marketplace, so it came like this, but I do not recommend if you want to be able to play piano without a crutch. So there's that. Now for our review on our finger numbers and our finger independence. Last week we were focusing on fingers 1, 2, and 3. Now this week we're gonna be focusing on fingers 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. We're gonna get our pinky moving. So we're gonna play those 4 notes that we learned today. We're gonna play it with these 4 fingers. And again, as a reminder, we want curved fingers. We don't want flat pancakes. We don't want to play like this. We don't want our wrists hanging. That's gonna make your wrists hurt. We want our wrists up like this, really chill. Make sure you don't have any tension in your shoulders, and wrists kind of like floating. If you had a little string, you could just like pull it up a little bit, you know? Here, so let's start with our right hand. Our pointer is gonna be that anchor for every F note, right? F comes first before the 3 black keys. Front door. So let's start over here. We're gonna try to play each note with a different finger just to get some coordination in those weaker fingers. Yes, there are muscles in our fingers, and you're getting a workout today in your little finger muscles. Congratulations. Okay, how'd you do? I was kind of talking through that. Left hand, let's try it. Now our pinky is going to be the anchor for our F. So, and we'll scoop. One at a time. Again, if this is not easy for you, that's okay. That's what practice is for. There you have it. That is our lesson today. You now know how to play and locate every note, at least white keys on the keyboard. Be practicing those 2 exercises from last week. So last week as a review, we had our thumb, pointer, and middle on our C, D, E. So practice those 2 with your right and left hands, and I will meet you here next week for lesson 3.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, won't you like it and subscribe for me?